Hi, I'm Damien from Fine & Country. Welcome to Barnhurst, a beautifully presented and recently extended 4-bedroom, 2-ensuite detached home. Please come on in and look around. The current owners added this spacious extension to the property in 2021, which provides this wonderful kitchen dining space. The kitchen flows seamlessly into this spacious living room with wood-burning stove, and also has direct access to this balcony which provides beautiful rural views. Completing the ground floor accommodation is this double bedroom, perfect for guest accommodation. There's also a ground floor shower room and a small utility cupboard. On the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms . The principal bedroom was added as a part of the 2021 extension to the property and features a beautiful Juliet balcony overlooking the gardens, plenty of built-in storage and an ensuite bathroom. Barnhurst sits within a plot of approximately 2.4 acres, featuring these beautiful formal gardens with a pond, multiple seating areas, with a hot tub with cover over, features 2 paddocks, which also includes a stable and several outbuildings. Barnhurst also features ample off-road parking and a double garage with an electric up and over door. Tucked away in the corner of the garden, there is this well-appointed 2-bedroom annexe bungalow and its own private driveway entrance. The 2 paddocks have beautiful rural views all around, and behind me, in the distance, you can see the North Cornish coast. Many thanks for allowing me to show you around this beautiful home and its wonderful grounds. If you have any questions or to arrange an early viewing, please call our Fine & Country Bude office on 01288 389 848.